Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to build a heart-healthy lifestyle. I am a doctor, and today I'm going to share with you 7 tips that are very important for maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Consume healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for overall health and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Unsaturated fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds, are a great option. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body. Olive oil is a Mediterranean staple and is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve heart health. In fact, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that consuming olive oil instead of butter or margarine can reduce the risk of heart attacks by up to 30%. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are another excellent source of healthy fats. These options are high in fiber and can help lower both cholesterol and blood sugar levels. However, it's important to consume nuts and seeds in moderation as they are also high in calories. On the other hand, saturated and trans fats should be limited as they can raise bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Saturated fats are found in foods such as butter, red meat, and processed meats, while trans fats are often found in fried foods and baked goods. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that replacing 5% of calories from saturated fats with an equal amount of calories from unsaturated fats can reduce total cholesterol levels by up to 7%. By making smart choices when it comes to fats, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and improve your overall health. Number 2. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. They are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation in the body, and promote healthy blood pressure levels. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, eating just 1 additional serving of fruit per day can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease by up to 12%. Similarly, a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that increasing vegetable intake can lead to a significant reduction in the risk of heart disease. Specifically, eating 3 or more servings of vegetables per day can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 35%. To make the most of your fruit and vegetable intake, choose a variety of colors and types of produce. This will ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients. For example, leafy greens like spinach and kale are high in nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit are high in vitamin C, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. And berries like strawberries and blueberries are high in antioxidants, which can help protect against oxidative stress and damage to blood vessels. 3. Limit added sugar. Added sugar is a major contributor to heart disease and should be limited as much as possible. Consuming too much added sugar can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, inflammation in the body, and oxidative stress, all of which increase the risk of heart disease. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming just 1 additional serving of added sugar per day can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 60%. Type 2 diabetes is a major risk factor for heart disease, so it's important to keep added sugar intake in check. To avoid added sugar, read food labels carefully and choose products with minimal or no added sugars. Be mindful of hidden sources of added sugar, such as fruit juices and smoothies, which can contribute to a high sugar intake without providing the fiber typically found in whole fruits. Instead, opt for whole fruits and natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. By limiting added sugar, you can reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other health problems associated with high sugar consumption. Number 4. Stay physically active. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with 2 or more days of muscle strengthening exercises targeting all major muscle groups. Physical activity can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation in the body, maintain a healthy weight, and boost mental health. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, engaging in 10-minute bursts of intense physical activity throughout the day can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular events in individuals with established heart disease. The study showed that for every additional minute of intense activity, the risk of major cardiovascular events decreased by up to 4%. Another study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that increasing physical activity can lead to a substantial reduction in the risk of developing heart disease. Specifically, engaging in 30 minutes of moderate-intensity physical activity most days of the week can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. To incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine, find activities that you enjoy and can stick with over the long term. This could include brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week and take breaks from prolonged periods of sitting. By staying physically active, you can reduce your risk of developing heart disease and improve your overall health and well-being. Number 5. Don't use tobacco. Tobacco use is a leading cause of preventable death worldwide and significantly increases the risk of heart disease. Nicotine, a highly addictive substance found in tobacco products, can cause blood vessels to constrict, leading to increased blood pressure and heart rate. This can strain the heart over time, leading to the development of heart disease. Additionally, tobacco smoke contains harmful chemicals that can damage the lining of blood vessels, promoting the buildup of plaque and increasing the risk of blood clots. This buildup of plaque and blood clots can restrict blood flow to the heart, leading to a heart attack or stroke. Studies have shown that tobacco use is responsible for approximately 120,000 deaths from cardiovascular disease in the United States each year. To reduce the risk of heart disease, it's important to avoid tobacco use in all forms, including cigarettes, cigars, pipes, and smokeless tobacco. If you currently use tobacco products, consider seeking professional help to quit. There are numerous resources available to help individuals quit tobacco, such as nicotine replacement therapy and medications that can reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Quitting tobacco is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and well-being. By avoiding tobacco use, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing heart disease and other chronic conditions. Number 6. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both physical and mental health, and it's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress levels. One effective way to manage stress is through mindfulness and meditation practices. Engaging in mindfulness and meditation can help individuals develop a sense of calm and focus, enabling them to approach stressful situations more effectively. Moreover, these practices promote emotional regulation, which is crucial for managing stress and preventing it from overwhelming. Studies have shown that chronic stress can significantly increase the risk of developing heart disease. High levels of cortisol, a stress hormone, can lead to elevated blood pressure, increased inflammation, and abnormal cholesterol levels, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. By implementing effective stress management techniques such as mindfulness and meditation, individuals can mitigate these risks and promote overall cardiovascular health. It's essential to prioritize stress management as part of a heart-healthy lifestyle to safeguard both physical and mental well-being. Number 7. Get regular screenings. Regular health screenings are essential for maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle as they allow for the early detection and management of potential cardiovascular risks. One crucial screening is checking blood pressure levels, as hypertension can silently increase the risk of heart disease and stroke without noticeable symptoms. Additionally, measuring cholesterol levels helps identify individuals at risk of heart disease who may not be aware of their risk factors. Blood sugar screenings, such as the A1C test, are vital for detecting prediabetes or diabetes, which significantly elevate the risk of heart disease and stroke. Regular screenings also include body mass index measurements and waist circumference assessments to gauge the risk of obesity-related heart disease. Finally, regular checkups allow healthcare professionals to monitor overall health, update immunizations, and address any concerns or questions, contributing to a proactive approach to heart health. By embracing regular screenings, individuals can better understand their cardiovascular risks and take appropriate measures to protect their heart health. Thank you for watching. Please remember to stay tuned for future videos. Stay healthy.